Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your books Fly High Grade 1. So now we'll be reading chapter 5 that says a clever rabbit. So in this story we are going to read about a rabbit who's very clever and who saved his life from a lion. Let's read the story to know how it did. Now, before going to the chapter, we have a small activity that says we need to encircle the food of each animal eats. So, what does a monkey eat? A monkey eats a banana. What does a rabbit eat? Yes, it eats this. Then we have is it a cat or a fox? I think it's a fox. So what does it eat? It eats this. And then we have the dog. It eats bones. Absolutely correct. And then the last we have the cat. What does the cat drink? Yes, this. It is milk. Now coming to the next, we have the story and let's start reading it. The lion and the tiger were the strongest animals in the jungle. They killed to bully all other animals. Now, bully is use superior strength or influence to someone, typically to force them to do something. Now, you must have seen that when we go to the school and when we are, young enough, our seniors, they at times bully us, right? So, they try to, show their seniority and they try to they trouble us, they make fun of us, which is really wrong. So similarly, the tiger and the lion, they were the strongest animal in the jungles and they used to bully other animals and they used to kill them and eat them. One day the lion saw a rabbit and said to him, "I'm going to eat you." The rabbit laughed and said, "No, you will not. I am as strong as you are." So the rabbit was so confident, right? The lion laughed when he heard this. "But you are so small," he said. "I will show you how strong I am," said the rabbit. Rabbit says, "Though I am small, but I will show you my strength. You hold this end of the rope. I will hold the other end of the rope. When I say pull, we both will pull." So see in the picture, the rabbit says that we have a rope and you hold one end, I will hold one end. Now when I say pull, you will pull, and then let's see what happens. Then the rabbit took the other end of the rope and went into the jungle. There he found the tiger asleep. Rabbit said to the tiger, "I am as strong as you are." The tiger laughed when he heard this. "But you are so small," he said. "I will show you how strong I am," said the rabbit. "You hold this end of the rope, I will hold the other end of this rope. When I say pull, we both will pull." So he said the same to the tiger also. Then the rabbit hid behind some trees. So the rabbit, he hid behind some trees. He shouted loudly, "Pull!" The lion pulled, the tiger pulled. Why? Because one end was, held by the lion and the other end was held by the tiger. The lion huffed and puffed. The tiger huffed and puffed. Snap! The rope broke into two pieces. Now they both roared and they were pulling each the rope on towards their side, towards their end, and then the rope broke down. The lion fell into the mud and the tiger fell down a hill. "See, I am as strong as you are," laughed the rabbit. From that day onwards, the lion and the rabbit did not bully the other animals anymore. So the rabbit was not strong, but then he was very clever. Fine. So with his cleverness, he was able to teach them a lesson and prove that he is equally smart. And since then, the lion and the tiger, they stopped bullying the other animals in the jungle. Okay, so now we have the exercise, we have the extract. Based on it, we need to answer. The dash fell into the mud. Who fell into the mud? The lion fell into the mud. Who fell into the mud? Let's just see. The rope broke to pieces. The lion, yes, the lion fell into the mud. Next, the dash laughed. Who laughed? The tiger hadn't, the rope broke as he laughed. Who laughed? The rabbit laughed. Next, we have the multiple choice. We need to take the correct answer. The rabbit was dash, the lion and the tiger. The rabbit was clever. Fine, he was cleverer than the lion and the tiger, and he could make fool. The rope was pulled by the lion at the one end and the rabbit at the other end. The lion at one end, the rabbit at the other end. The tiger at one end, the rabbit at the other end. No, it was the lion at one end and the tiger at other end. Next, when the rope broke into two pieces, who thought that the rabbit is as strong as he is? Both the lion and the tiger, they thought that he is equally strong. Next, we have the true and false. The lion and the tiger were the strongest animals in the jungle. Absolutely correct. The rabbit hid behind a hill. No, he hid behind a tree. False. The rope broke into two pieces. True. The tiger fell into the mud. No, the lion fell into the mud and the tiger fell down the hill. Next, we have the question answers. Who like to bully all the other animals? So the lion and the tiger, they used to bully and they used to have fun in, troubling other animals in the jungle. Whom did the lion see? What did the lion say to it? Okay. So the lion, he saw a rabbit and he said that he is going to kill and eat him. Who fell down a hill? The tiger fell down a hill. What did the rabbit say to them at the end? The rabbit says, see, I am as strong as you. And since then, the tiger and the lion, they stopped bullying other animals and stopped troubling them. So that was all about the story. It was a sweet story, and this from the story we all learn that we should be like if we get into some problems, we should not panic and we should think wisely to overcome it, right? So read the story once again, go through the exercise. Till then, see you tomorrow. Happy learning.